need is a little extra help.
I have something for Bella. I have something for Bella. You want to see? You want to see? You want to see your car seat? Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go see your car seat. Got it? Okay, let's go. This way, this way. You like, good morning, Ricky. Come on, let's come see Bella's car seat. Oh, look at your car seat over there. Yeah. Look at your car seat. Wow. Ooh, sit down, sit down. Let me see. Let me see Bella in her car seat. No, Nick is in school. Sit down. Come on, sit down. Yeah, he's not here. Let me see. Sit back. You like it? Look, this is a blankie. Look. A blankie for Bella right here. And a blankie right here for Bella. Ooh, you like it? Yeah? ¿Te gusta el car seat? ¿Sí te gusta? What's that? Chocolate? Ooh, no, you hurt yourself. Ouch. Ouch, hurt. You okay? Ooh, look, your cup holders. You can put your cup here. Wow, I like it. What? What happened? Ooh, princess. Yeah? You like it?